Stop heating up your leftover pizza in the microwave just for it to be all soggy.
Imagine having freshly prepared fish, steak, veggies that aren't soggy, rubbery, or dry. Pacuzzi allows you to enjoy those meals as if they were freshly made, whether it's last night's leftovers or a frozen meal from Trader Joe's. The Pacuzzi is made of 100% platinum food-grade silicone, free of PFOs, PBA, PTFE, and is 100% plastic-free.
Hi, I'm Mare. I'm the inventor of Pacuzzi, and I believe every meal should taste freshly made. With Pacuzzi, it can. Cook once and enjoy it fresh again and again.
Check out our website to order your own Pacuzzi today.
Look, I'm a dad. I try to cook, but let's just say no one's begging for seconds. And the microwave? Yeah, that turns pizza into a sponge. So I found Pacuzzi. It's like giving leftovers a second chance at greatness. Steam, serve, done. Tastes like I actually knew what I was doing. No grill, no oven, no stress. Just good food, fast. Dad win.